Ashok Leyland announced on Friday, September 15 that it will invest Rs 1,000 crore in Uttar Pradesh to set up a bus manufacturing facility focused on clean mobility. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody, the elaboration on this recent news certainly include number 1, MOU with UP government. Ashok Leyland has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Uttar Pradesh government. An MOU is a formal agreement outlining the intentions of both parties, in this case, the company and the state government. It is a critical step in establishing the facility as it signifies government support and cooperation for the project. Number 2 is first plant in the state. This manufacturing facility in Uttar Pradesh will Ashok Leyland's first plant in the state. This expansion is likely driven by the need to cater to the growing demand for buses in the region. Number 3 we have is economic impact. Such a significant investment has the potential to create job opportunities in the region, boost the local economy and contribute to the development of a robust supply chain ecosystem related to clean mobility. The financial aspect may include the following. Number 1 is investment capital. As explained in the initial announcement, Ashok Leyland is committing to 1,000 crore for this project. This capital will be used for various purposes, including acquiring land, constructing manufacturing facilities, purchasing machinery and equipment, setting up research and development, infrastructure for green mobility solutions, and covering initial operational cost. Number 2 is production cost. Setting up a manufacturing plant, especially for commercial vehicles like buses, requires significant capital investment. The plant will include production line, assembly units, and a quality control facilities, all of which will come to associated cost. Number 3 is R&D expenses. Developing green mobility solutions often involves substantial research and development effort. This includes engineering work to design and optimize electric or alternative fuel-powered buses, battery technology, charging infrastructure, and other related components. These R&D expenses can be substantial but are crucial for developing competitive and a sustainable product. And number 4 we have is supply chain development. Establishing a supply chain for green mobility components and materials may require investment in partnerships, supplier relationship, and logistics infrastructure. Hope you like the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share, and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.